Thanks for joining today's lesson. In today's lesson, we will provide solution to this chemistry question. So the question reads, calculate the pH of solution of 0.001 mole per dm cube of hydrogen trioxonitrate 5. So to do this, let's say solution. So by definition, the pH is equals to negative log of the hydrogen ion, positive hydrogen ion, base 10. So with this formula, we can solve this. Now, if you observe very well, the concentration of the solution is given already, and in 1 mole of hydrogen trioxonitrate 5, we have just 1 atom of hydrogen. Therefore, there's no big deal about it. What we do, we just plug in this value where we have this hydrogen ion. So P will therefore, because of negative log 0.001 base 10, and let's convert this to a standard form. So this in standard form is simply 0.001 in standard form is equals to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to negative 3, or simply put 10 raised to negative 3. Since here we have just 1 multiplied by 10 will still give us this. So we can bring in this and put it in place of this. So our pH now equals to negative log 10 raised to minus 3 base 10. Now from one of the properties of log, if a log is raised to a power, the power is used to multiply the log. So applying that property, pH now equals to minus, open bracket, we'll bring down our minus 3 close bracket, log 10 base 10. Because when you bring this down, you'll be left with 10 here and then the base. So there's another property of log who says that when the log and the base are the same, the result is 1. So let's open this bracket. So minus times minus is plus. So this will give us plus 3 log 10 to base 10. So the whole of this will boil down to 1 based on this property. If you have, for example, log a to base a is 1. So bringing this here, the whole of this will boil down to 1. Therefore, we now have 3 multiplied by what? 1. And this is equals to what? 3. So this is the pH of the given solution. Thank you and God bless you.